Looking for reliable boiler repair near me in Pottstown, PA? MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides fast and professional boiler repair services to keep your home or business warm and comfortable. If your boiler is leaking, making unusual noises, failing to heat properly, or experiencing pressure issues, our experienced technicians can quickly diagnose and resolve the problem. We service all major boiler brands and use quality parts to ensure dependable, long-lasting repairs. Our goal is to restore efficiency, safety, and consistent heating performance. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for expert boiler repair near me in Pottstown, PA, and dependable service when you need it most. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a boiler repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. Who offers boiler repair near me? MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional boiler repair services for homeowners and businesses searching for reliable boiler repair near me. What are common signs that my boiler needs repair? Several warning signs may indicate that you need boiler repair services. MAC HVAC Service and Repair helps homeowners identify and resolve boiler problems before they become major issues. What is your boiler repair near me in Pottstown, PA? Our boiler repair near me has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvac.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.